Hello, good people. Hope you are doing well and spending your time in a lot of learning. Now, if you are an enthusiast of online courses, you must have heard about Coursera and Udemy. Well, if you have not, let me tell you that Coursera and Udemy are the two most famous websites of online courses. Now, on Quora and among my friends, I have seen a lot of learners confused between Coursera and Udemy before taking up a course, so I am coming with this video to clear all your confusions. I will be talking about various differences between Coursera and Udemy in terms of difference in service provided, volume of courses, types of courses, cost, quality of courses and other things. But before that, let me tell you what my source of information is. I am using the database of Advisor, which contains all the details on all the courses of Coursera, Udemy and a lot of other course providers. As you can see here, Advisor rates the courses from all the different course providers based on the reviews of the users, which I have used to compare the quality of courses of different categories. Now, let's start with the comparison. Volume and diversity. Coursera has a collection of 4,951 products which are divided into courses, specializations, online degrees and other professional certificate courses. The courses are a collection of video lectures taught in subjects of your interest. The specializations are a collection of courses which will take you from beginner to advanced level in the subject. The professional certificate courses are prepared to provide practical professional knowledge of the subjects with the real world data prepared in collaboration with companies like IBM and Google. And online degrees are curated by various universities and cover a wholesome degree experience like Bachelor of Science in Computer Science or Master of Data Science. Now, the courses in Coursera are not very diverse. You will get courses on computer science, economics, business, but there are not a lot of courses on hobbies like cooking, guitar and music. Moving to Udemy, Udemy has over 100,000 online courses, that is over 20 times that of Coursera. Udemy does not have specializations or degrees, just courses. The collection of Udemy is quite diverse. It has courses on almost anything that you can think of, from computer science to yoga and gymnastics and music and relationships. Quality of courses. The courses in Coursera are taught by professionals, most of which are esteemed professors in famous universities like Stanford and Illinois. Being taught by the professors, the courses are very well structured and organized. The assignments of Coursera are also very much more in depth compared to those of Udemy. The certification from Coursera is also very valuable because of the quality and structure of the courses. With specializations and professional certificate courses, you can even get the complete in-depth knowledge of lengthy subjects like data science or digital marketing. Moving to Udemy, the courses of Udemy are also taught by experts, some of which are globally famous, but since the teaching experience of many teachers on Udemy is not that good, some courses are not good in terms of the structure. This does not mean that Udemy offers bad courses. The top courses in all the subjects are beyond amazing, but due to a large volume of courses and not very strict restrictions on quality, a lot of courses are not very good. Here are some plots of average ratings out of 100 of the courses by Coursera and Udemy taken from Advisor. In terms of average overall rating of all the courses, Coursera scores 80.21 and Udemy scores 77.36. For the category of computer science, Coursera rates 79.16 and Udemy rates 79, both of which are almost equal. For the category of business, the average rating of Coursera is 81.5, while that of Udemy is 76.6. For arts and humanities courses, Coursera's average rating is 83.6, while that of Udemy is 79.6. Personal development courses have the average rating of 82.77 on Coursera and 80.92 on Udemy, and at the last, engineering courses rate 82.3 on Coursera and 79.63 on Udemy. So, based on these bar plots, you can see that Coursera has a slight edge over Udemy on the average overall rating of its courses. Cost. Since the courses of Coursera are very organized, exclusively taught by professors and professionals, and overall rate higher, they are comparatively costlier. Coursera has some free courses, then a lot of courses between 2000 rupees and 6000 rupees, and a few courses till rupees 50,000. Like Coursera, Udemy too has a lot of free courses without certification. For the paid courses, the price keeps on changing, but most of the times Udemy has amazing offers and you can get a lot of good courses for as low as 400 rupees and as high as 13,000 rupees. Service. For Coursera, the first and the most important service is the 7 days free trial. As you can see on the screen, a 7-day free trial period is available for a lot of courses and specializations on Coursera. If you do not like a course and unsubscribe it within 7 days after enrolling, the course will be returned and you will not be charged anything. You can also audit a course on Coursera when you will not be able to give assignments and quizzes and you will not receive a certificate, but you will have access to all the course content. Besides free trial and audit, you can also avail financial aid in Coursera, which takes up to 15 days to be processed and approved or rejected by Coursera. In case you get the financial aid, you will have to pay nothing and you will have access to all the content including the assignments and the quizzes, and you will get the certificate in the end. For Udemy, the most important service is its 30 days money back policy. If you do not like a course by Udemy, you can request a refund within 30 days and you will not be charged anything for the course. However, you will not get the certificate if you get the refund on your course. Do subscribe to us for more videos on online courses and more. Stuck between courses? Take our advice.